Guess what? Black holes might just be the ultimate cosmic librarians, storing info on everything that ever fell into their mysterious depths slowly. Turns out, black holes have a memory of sorts, retaining info about matter and energy that got too close, creating an internal cosmic record of past interactions slowly. The info paradox deepens. What if black holes aren't just voids, but vast cosmic notebooks, jotting down our secrets? Imagine being pulled into a black hole and having your data stored forever. Talk about a digital afterlife. Stephen Hawking's pioneering work hinted that information isn't lost. It gets encoded on a black hole's surface like a cosmic hard drive, storing data intricately. Some theories suggest black holes are holographic, storing 2D versions of us on their event horizons. Pretty trippy. What if every time you gazed at a black hole, it was actually remembering you too, echoing through space with an unseen presence that lingered long after you looked away? Black holes warp space-time, and maybe, just maybe, they're holding a mirror to our universe's deepest, most mysterious secrets and unseen dimensions slowly. Did you know some black holes spin at nearly the speed of light, possibly recording everything in their entire cosmic path and surrounding slowly? Picture this: a supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center, quietly filing away cosmic history. As matter falls in, it gets hotter, releasing X-rays like a cosmic recorder capturing the universe's complex soundtrack through intense gravitational forces slowly. Black holes come in all sizes, from tiny to titanic, each potentially logging different scales of cosmic events, influencing space-time significantly around them always. Merging black holes might be syncing their data, creating complex gravitational waves that echo through the fabric of space-time, revealing intense cosmic collisions. The event horizon is like a cosmic point of no return. Once crossed, your info is forever stored. Some scientists propose that black holes could be portals to other dimensions, potentially saving our data for later analysis and further research possibilities. Falling into a massive black hole might feel like being uploaded into a vast cosmic database, eternal digital storage. Suddenly, eternity unfolds. Black holes distort light around them, potentially capturing images of everything that dares to get very close, creating complex gravitational lensing effects. Their intense gravity warps not just space, but maybe even our understanding of time, memory, and the fabric of reality itself slowly. It's like black holes are listening to the universe closely, capturing subtle gravitational whispers from the vast cosmos around them silently always. Some theories even suggest that our universe could be inside a giant black hole. Mind absolutely blown, right? The implications are profound. As black holes evaporate slowly over billions of years, do they delete our cosmic data permanently, or is it forever preserved mysteriously elsewhere? The mystery deepens. Are black holes just voids, or vast cosmic memory keepers of the universe, holding ancient secrets, whispers of creation? What if our existence is recorded on a massive black hole's surface, like a cosmic registry of all that's been echoing through eternity silently always? The universe has its profound secrets, and mysterious black holes might just be filing them away quietly for eternity, hidden within their inescapable gravitational pulls, forever silent. Their memory could be the key to understanding the vast cosmos, if we can just read it carefully through advanced scientific research and observations. It's a cosmic game of hide and seek, black holes hiding information, and us desperately trying to find it amidst the vast, mysterious universe surrounding us always. Imagine the stories a black hole could tell if it could talk, centuries of cosmic history at its fingertips, whispering secrets to the surrounding space silently always. So, are black holes really remembering us deeply, or is it just a wild, unproven theory floating mysteriously in the vast, dark void of space? One thing's for sure: the more we learn about mysterious black holes, the more we realize how incredibly little we actually know about space. Share this if you're ready for the universe to save your personal data forever. Just kidding? Or are we really serious about digital immortality now?